Doctor said I need glasses, but I hate wearing them. I feel shy. I think people will laugh at me.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Lina Talk. In this video, the conversation topic is, I hate wearing glasses. We will learn how to talk about wearing glasses, feeling shy, and why glasses are important. This conversation will also help you improve your English for everyday life. I hope you will learn, and please subscribe my channel. So, let's get started.
Hi, Lisa. I have a problem. I think my eyes are bad.
Oh no! Did you see a doctor?
Yes. Doctor said I need glasses, but I hate wearing them.
Why do you hate them? They are helpful.
I feel shy. I think people will laugh at me.
Don't worry, Tom. Glasses are normal. Many people wear them.
But I don't want to look different.
Let me show you. Wait, I have my own glasses. Look at me. I wear glasses too.
You look nice, but I'm not sure.
Glasses can be part of your style. You can choose frames you like.
Really? Can I choose a cool one?
Of course. Some people wear bright colors or small frames. You can be creative.
But what if people tease me?
If someone teases you, just smile. Don't be scared. People respect confidence.
I see. I never thought about confidence.
Also, glasses help you see better. You won't get headaches or feel tired.
That's true. I often feel tired after reading.
Exactly. Glasses are your friend, not your problem.
Maybe I can try, but I feel nervous.
Take your time. Try at home first. Try wearing them in front of the mirror. Practice smiling.
Okay, I will try tomorrow. Thank you, Lisa. You helped me a lot.
You're welcome, Tom. Soon, you'll feel great with glasses.
I hope so. Let's see.
So, that's our conversation for today. Did you learn something new about wearing glasses and how to talk about your feelings? Please write your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.